I want to share a reflection today. It comes from the work I have been close to, close enough to see pattern over time. This is not a lesson, just an observation that stayed with me. Most organizations do not run on documented process. They run on people filling the gap those process leaves behind. When we looked closely how work actually moved, the execution lived in exceptions and shared understanding that never written down. Everyone knew how things really worked. Almost nothing reflected the reality on paper. Automation encountered the same environment human had been navigating for years. Context people carrying instinctively. AI does not pick up tone in the meeting. It does not notice the hesitation before taking a decision. It does not know when rule was bent for good reasons. That invisible context is what holds execution together. Most leaders believe they understand how work flows through their organization. AI quietly challenges that belief. Decision rights are often unclear, authority overlaps, ownership is assumed more than defined. In many cases, data exists to support decisions that already made through habit, precedence, or influence. The same work appears in multiple places, handled by different teams with slightly different criteria. People manage this through experience. Automation cannot. This is also where the resistance to AI often appears, especially in teams operating through ambiguity, where coordination is informal, where exception keeps things moving. In those environments, AI feels less like a tool and more like an exposer, not because it replaces judgment, but because it removes the protection from invisibility. It shows where strategy breaks down during execution. The organization that create value from AI are not one with perfect processes. They are one willing to look closely. They treat AI as signal, not a solution. AI does not introduce dysfunction. It makes existing reality harder to avoid. Technology is rarely a problem. What matters is that leaders choose to address once the system reflects the truth back to them.